All right, so we're going to talk about dry dock and internal structural exam notifications. Credit dry dock, internal structural exam for an external survey program. There's no requirement for the Coast Guard to be notified. Owner, managing operator, designated person, or external surveyor must notify the TPO prior to commencing activities using the TVIB online booking notification. We request a 2-week notice for any upcoming dry dock ISEs, but we will work with the companies if that time becomes short or if something becomes unexpected. For internal survey program, owner managing operator is to notify OCMI 30 days prior to commencing activity or as soon as practicable. And owner operating manager must notify the TPO prior to commencing any related activities using the booking notice as well. So we get into non-credit dry docks. This could be just pulling the boat out for maintenance. The boat needs to come out of the water. And there is, under work instruction 029, there is no requirement to notify the Coast Guard unless when you pull the vessel out of the water, you identify an unsafe condition, which immediately has to be reported, or a marine casualty as well. For TVIB, there's no need to notify TVIB of things like a line in the wheel and you're going to pull it up unless there's any casualties or problems identified. Maintenance, unsafe condition is identified, same thing as we talked about before with Coast Guard notification, or if there's a marine casualty or an 835 associated with the vessel and the vessel's got to come out for a damage survey or to just see how everything's holding together. Again, for TVIB, owner managing operators to notify TVIB upon identifying any of the following hull repair that may be necessary. So if you pull the boat out, you haven't had any issues or anything like that, but all of a sudden you see you've got a crack on a fuel tank. So any portion of a fuel tank, if you're crossing 2 or more frames, if the insert that you're going to be putting in is greater than 8 by 18 by 18 or 324 square inches total, and then the repairs meeting above criteria will likely require the attendance by a TVIB certified or TVIB, and that shouldn't be likely. If it does meet any of those top 3 criteria, TVIB surveyor will need to attend. And if any of this occurs during our non-business hours, we've always got a duty person on standby, and you can contact us at our 24-hour hotline or our 24-hour line at 888-983-8842. And that's about it for the notifications, because we're just doing credit and non-credit dry docks.